I will take care of things in here. The rest of you, get out.
Are you mad?
It's too late, Young. Forgive me. Young! Young! If you should see my wife again, tell her to live enough for us both. Don't be a fool. Open the door.
Young! Please, Young! Don't throw your life away!
Young! It has been an honor fighting with all of you. Open the door, Young!